Replacing a Type-C interface. Use a heat gun at 360 degrees Celsius to remove the old Type-C interface. Remove residual adhesive with a soldering iron at 380 degrees Celsius. Desolder the pads using a desoldering braid. Clean the motherboard with PCB cleaner. Align a new Type-C interface to the correct position. Apply a small amount of flux. Tin the pads using a soldering iron. Ensure there are no cold joints or solder bridges. Solder the pads on both sides to secure the Type-C interface. Clean with PCB cleaner and recheck the soldering results.